Gilgit-Baltistan's roads are among the most beautiful yet dangerous in Pakistan, offering a unique blend of adventure and breathtaking scenery. The Karakoram Highway, the highest paved road in the world, stretches from Hazara to Hunza and the Kunzara Pass, often passing through glaciers and areas prone to landslides. The Babusar Pass Road, which connects Naran to Chilas at over 13,000 feet, challenges travelers with thin air and sharp turns. The route to Fairy Meadows is considered one of the most dangerous jeep tracks globally, running along narrow cliffs. DSI Plains Road, linking Skarju to Astor, crosses snow-covered plateaus and wildlife reserves. Skarju road winds along narrow cliffs beside the Indus River, while the roads to Zagar, Kaplu, and Hush valleys are narrow, unpaved, and full of adventure. Roads in areas like Fandor and Astor face landslides and rocky terrain. Traveling these routes offers not only stunning beauty, but also tests courage and resilience, taking travelers beyond their limits as they journey through some of the world's most challenging landscapes.